Hi, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to bake breadsticks. The ingredients that you'll need are flour, warm water, yeast, olive oil, salt, and sugar. In a large mixing bowl, start by pouring the active yeast, sugar, salt, and warm water. Let this sit for 5 minutes. Once the yeast looks frothy, start adding the 1 cup of flour. Then add the olive oil. Mix for a minute or two under low setting. Now you'll add the remaining flour and mix it under low to medium setting. Mix until there's no more flour sticking in the bowl. While this is mixing, prepare another large mixing bowl and spray it with oil. Once it's ready, transfer the dough in the large mixing bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap. Let it proof for 2 hours. You can proof this overnight inside a refrigerator or just proof it inside the oven for 2 hours. Then preheat oven to 400° Fahrenheit. Sprinkle flour on top of a clean pastry board. Then knead it for a minute or two. Use a rolling pin to roll the dough. Then divide into small portions. Shape each dough horizontally like sticks and neatly lay it on the baking pan. Let this proof for another 30 minutes. After proofing, you'll now brush each dough with melted butter, with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Then bake this for 12 to 15 minutes at 400° Fahrenheit. And here's the final results. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my next video. Have a great day!